Hi guys, it's your boy Jerry Graphic Design here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. I'll bring you another interesting video. On today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to design a salute flyer with our smartphone and Pixellab app. Without wasting much of your time, I do share tips and tutorials like this on this channel. If you love this type of content, please do want to smash the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever we update our channel with a new tutorial like this. Alright guys, let's get straight to the point. First of all, I will set my image size. Let's see, 908. That's for the width, and then for the height, leave it at 1280. That is the image size that I want to use. Then I will click OK. Other than that, I want to change this background to something else. No, I want to change it to this. Let's go with this. Then I will go to my Baija, which is this. I want to make use of this. Go there, and then I will come here, then increase the size, drag it, increase it as well, then curve it like this. Just curve it a little bit, that is all. I don't want it to be much. I think I can go with something like this. Then go to your stroke, right? Take the stroke to 56. Just take it to the last, then mark it. Then let's take it up a little bit. Or you can use and drag it like this. Take it up like this. Then I think I will need to increase the size. Then position it at the center like this. Okay, I've done that. I want to bring out a shape. Just bring out a shape like this, then expand it, let it cover it. If possible, let it just cover everywhere, then mark it, then let it be at the back of this. Let the shape be at the back of this like this. Cool. Then match the two together, match them together. Other than that, I want to go to my erase color. I want to erase the black color, which is this. I will mark it. Then having done that, I will go to my mask, then open it, then click here so that you can be able to drag it. I hope you see where I click. This is where I click. Alright, then I will drag it, then click here back to shift it, to adjust it, to mask it, right? Just follow what I'm doing. Alright, it's very simple to achieve. Cool. Then I will mark it. Alright, that is okay. Then I will log this. Other than that, the next thing that I want to do now, let me take this up a little bit. I need to take it up a little bit. Cool. I think this should be okay. This should be okay. Let's just go with this. Other than that, the next thing that I want to do now, I want to import an image. I want to import an image. Let's go with this. Let me rotate it like this. Cool. Then I will take it back, let it be at the back of this, then bring it down a little bit. Cool, I think this should be okay. I need to bring this shape down a little. Alright, cool. Having done that, the next thing that I want to do now, I want to bring out a text. Go to your text, um, then import the brand name, Bella Salon. Then I'll click OK. Then I'll go to my phones. That is a phone that I used recently. I'm just going to make use of that same fonts. I want to go with this. Then I'll mark it. Then I'll go to my letter B, style, bold it like this. Then let's reduce the size a little bit. Cool. Then bring out your ruler. I want to make use of my ruler to ensure that it's at the same alignment. Then I'll bring it down like this. Let's increase the size a little bit so that it can be bold. Cool, I think this should be okay. I've done that. The next thing that I want to do now, I want to bring out another text. Let's say this is a slogan, beauty, capitalize this also, beauty, sorry, beauty salon. Then click OK. Then I want to give this another font. Just go to your fonts. I want to change the fonts of this particular one. Okay, let's go with this. Then go to your style, letter B, bold it like this. I would like to edit this. Let's remove that salute instead of this, as we already put it on that slogan. Let's remove it from here. Then when we increase this size, let it be bold like this. Cool, I think that should be okay, right? It's more better. It's more better. Then I will reduce the size of this. Then position is at the same alignment. Cool. I've done that. The next thing that I want to do now, I want to bring out a shape. I will go to my shape, then go to radius. Let's make it 5. 5 should be okay. Then give it this color, this particular color. And then I will mark it. Click OK. Then set it here. Set it here like this. I think we can go with this. Cool. I've done that. The next thing that I want to do now, I want to bring out another shape. I want to curve this a little. Let's cut it here. Just a little. So we can cut it here from here like this. Then I will match the two together. Do something like this. Then click OK. Then the next thing that I want to do now, I will go to my erase color. Go to your erase color. Erase the white. Cool, erase it like this. Then take this to the same alignment. Let them be at the same alignment with the text. Bring it down a little bit. Cool, that should be okay. I've done that. I'll go to my text. Then I have already copied what I want to write, so that I will not waste much time here. Then I will reduce the size to make it enter this box. Cool. Then I've done that. I would love to give this a font. There is a font that I used recently, but I want to use 2 fonts of this. this is the font that I want to use. You can use anyone that is suitable. Then I will change the fonts of that our service. I will change the fonts of that our service. I will give it another font. I want to give it this. Then click OK. Then I think we can. Okay, let's see if we can space the line a little bit. Just space it. Just space it through. Just make it through. That's all. Cool, that is okay. I haven't done that. The next thing that I want to do now, I want to bring out a shape. I want to bring out a shape. Then I will mark it. Then I will go to my texture. I want to import an image. I will go to my texture. Then let's say I want to go with this. Then I will mark it. Then open it like this. Then increase the size like this. Cool, make it bold. Then I will reduce the size to ensure that. Then bring out the roller, reduce the size to ensure that the gap will fit it right. I think that size should be okay like this. Cool. Okay, I've done that. The next thing that I want to do now, I will just copy this, place it here. Cool, press it here like this, and then go back to your texture, then delete this particular one, then import another one. Let's import something different. I will import this, then I will click OK. Then no, let's just increase the size like this. That's okay. Then mark it, then still copy, then place it here again, set it here. We're going to change another image. I want to change another image. So for you to do that, we will still go back to texture, then delete, then import the image that we want to import. So I want to go with this, then mark it, then open it like this, then click OK, then copy again, place it at the downside. I want to import like 6 image. Okay, so that should be okay. Cool, then let's go back to texture, delete, then import the next one that we want to import. I want to go with this, then I will mark it, click OK, then copy again. Let's import another one again. Then go back to texture, delete. Yes, I want to go with this, then I'll open it like this. No, let's just increase it like this. That should be okay. Then I will copy it again, then place it here. Ensure that they are at the same line. Let's bring it down a little bit. Cool, that should be okay. I'll go to my texture again, delete this, and then import the one that I want to import. I want to go with this. I want to go with this. Then I will rotate it like this, then crop it a little bit, then I will mark it. Cool, that should be okay. All right guys, I haven't done that. The next thing that I want to do now, no, I need to reduce the size of this image. I still have some text to import. I need to import some text. Reduce the size to 20. Let's make it 20 should be okay. Then do the same thing to all of them. Reduce this to 20. Reduce this to 20. I still have a lot to put. Okay, do the same to the other one. Because I still want to have some space a little bit from this, because if you want your design to look more professional, you do need to cover every space. in your flyer, in your design. All right, don't allow your element to cover everywhere so that the design will look more attractive. I'll reduce this again, make it 20. Then I will do same to this. Cool, look more professional, right? Okay, I haven't done that. I want to bring out the text. I want to bring out the text, the phone number, how they, where they can feel reach the brand, the phone number, then slash. It's supposed to be 5. Then click OK. Click OK. I haven't done that. I want to give it a color. Give it this particular color, and then mark it, then reduce the size. Then let's go to fonts. Give it the font that we give to Bella. I think that should be okay. Then take it to the downside. Take it to the downside. Then bring out your roller. Let it be at the same alignment with these images. I think that should be okay. Let's reduce the size again. Cool. Having done that, the next thing I want to do now, I want to bring out another text. Let's say email. Bella here at gmail.com. Then click OK. Give it this same color. Then change the fonts. Let's change the font to this where is the font, to this particular one. Then click OK. Note, don't use more than 3 fonts. Okay, if you check it very well, I use only 3 fonts on this design, so do not use more than 3 fonts. Let's increase the size. I think we can go with this. Cool. Alright guys, I think we are done. Thank you guys for watching, and God bless you. Now let me show you how to save. Just if you want to save, just save as an JPG and then Ultra, then save to your gallery. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and God bless you. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do what to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Put it on all so that you will be updated whenever we update our channel with a new tutorial like this. Please do what to drop your reaction on the comment section. Give the video a like. Thank you guys. See you in the next tutorial.